Yeah, it's done already. When my husband is come home, I will make a plating. Okay? See you in premiere. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you not already subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell for my notification, and leave a comment below. See you on premiere. Bye-bye. We'll make caramelized sugar. Okay, the caramel is get in. Then add the caramel. A grated peel lemon. Hello, welcome to my channel, AnDon Mix Vlog. Today I will make a cake, pineapple cake. Lemon grater, 5 eggs, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 eggs, 5 spoon flour, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 spoon sugar, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 spoon oil, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 teaspoon baking powder plus grated pineapple. We put the grated pineapple. Then start to mix it. Add vanilla powder. Okay, I put this pineapple slice. I think it's 4 or 5 is enough. Okay, we add a little bit more. 5 pieces. We will see if it's okay, if it's enough. I have to rub the butter here. I have to continue to make this. A little bit more. I think it's enough. See? I think it's enough. Now I'll try to put this pineapple. If how many? 1, 2, oh, only 3. 3. Okay, I will make the other. Okay, I'll try to make this. Yes. And here. Yes. And here. So nice. So, that's it. Look at that. That's it. See how nice it is. Lovely. Lovely design. So I will make it on the top. Let me try also if it's nice or not. Okay, I'll try to put it on. Yes. Okay, I will try it to do this. To do this idea. Yes. That's it. Okay, we put here on the top. Yes. Same like I do it in from the first layer. And then this one I have to cut also. And then the same. Yes, that's it. See? And then I have to bake it. Okay? See you later. So that's it. I put in the oven. Let me try if it's 34 minutes. It's okay. Okay, it's cooked already. Put this. So this is it. It's cooked already. My pineapple cake. This is my top view. So it's ready to eat. I love the dancing tree.